In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can deny Facebook permission to access your location. So if you want to remain private on Facebook such that the app will not access your permission, you need to go ahead and turn off location permission on Facebook. Now, there are two ways you can achieve this. In the first method, just head over to your profile above here and then tap on it to access the menu. Under menu, you'll be able to see settings, and this will open up your settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you get to your activity section. Now from here, choose the option called device permissions and then look for location. As you can see, the location is currently said to be used while using this application. So tap on see info and then update settings and then open device settings. Now this will take you to a device where you can now disable location access. Now scroll down from here until you get to this section called app permissions. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you'll see we have location. Tap on it. As you can see, it is currently set to allow only while using the app. To turn this off, go ahead and tap on don't allow, and this will go ahead and turn this off. So that is the first method. Now let me show you the second method. Now in the second method, go and look for your Facebook app, and as you can see, my Facebook app is here. Then go ahead and long press on it and then tap on app info. From app info, you'll still again see app permissions. Go ahead and tap on it. And then from this list, go ahead and tap on location. As you can see, it is among the allowed. To change this, go ahead and tap on location. And you can see it is set to allow only while using the app. To turn it off again, just tap on don't allow. And that is it. Now your location cannot be accessed by Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.